guys, welcome back to our channel. It's us again, Liam Boy Dutch-Filipino. For today's vlog, we will be doing an unboxing vlog. I ordered a baby book online and we will unbox it because this time around I just don't have the courage or enough time to make a personalized baby book. I have made one for Liam, but this time around I just browsed in the internet and looked for something special, and I'm curious to find out if um, this is as beautiful as what I have been expecting. So let's start. So this is it. I've got it from ball.com. Wow. This is in Dutch. Baby's eerste jaar. Baby's first year. So let's start opening and browsing this up. First page. You have to write the baby's name. Second page, the information about the birth of the baby's birth. And this is the space where you can also stick the baby birth card. The fourth page is the space where you can write the information about the mother. So with the fifth page and the sixth page is about the father. This one too. And then you have this page as the first week. And of course, you also have the space for the photos for the first weeks. And the second week information. How much the baby drink. The third week. The fourth week. And of course, you have to give the photo for the first month. And this is just about the first month. And then you also have to write everything. How does the baby grow? According to the age, the date, the length, and the weight. I also have them written in another notebook. I'll just transfer it here later on. And then you have to go for the 2 months, and then I think that's pretty more about it. Until the baby will reach a year. And then you also have to paste your photo for a year. And then another extra information about the birthday. That's it. I like the color combination of blue and orange. So for sure this will make a great book for Alex. Thank you guys for always watching our videos and always being with us, and I hope that you also like my unboxing today, and see you soon for the next videos that we will be uploading. Bye.